3 minutes, baby. Let's get it. Ay, ay, ay. Two minutes. All right, let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. All right, I've got my exchange on my left monitor. I've got Agger on my front. On my right, I got news. So we can't miss it. 2 minutes. Let's see how it goes. I want to say we're going to go up. I'm trading this small size just for that reason. I don't know. We'll see in 1 minute. Here we go. I'll move my exchange monitor over once I got my phone in front of me just in case. Here goes nothing. Normally you can fade the whipsaw move in the beginning, but we'll see. I guess it's up. .1% it is. I have some. I didn't even get to fill any specific position size I wanted. Oh well. Here, I'll move this over here now. I had some asks that are starting to get filled. Damn, I didn't even get a position that I wanted size on. It is what it is. Hopefully we get some sort of whipsaw reaction. But I'm not getting filled on this, I can tell. That's giga lame. We'll see. That's unfortunate. I was too slow. So what do I think happens next? Let me expand this. What I want to see is my asks get filled up here, and then man, this could go higher. I might move all these. I'm so upset I didn't get the bids I wanted. That's a damn shame, isn't it? Whatever. But what I want to see, essentially, I was planning for something like this, right? I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know. Essentially, I expected a lower high, like somewhere in this region. So I expected price to just kind of boom, you know, and then continue down. Are we gonna get it now? It's possible. I honestly shouldn't keep these asks here. I was kind of expecting myself to market a pretty large position, like a larger position. This is a pretty solid degen account. I could have gotten like a $250,000 position at least, but I didn't. I wasn't able to. So these were supposed to be take profits. I wasn't really supposed to be just shorting, naked short. Doesn't really look like I got that position size. In CPI, normally on CPI days, I just like to market into those positions, like into the size, and then I like to set bids as like, you know, ammo just in case. We didn't get a normal CPI whipsaw that I would have expected. Normally on CPI days, you get like a, and then, you know, and then the directions chosen after blows everybody out. But the bid is so strong on this. You know, this is probably going to go higher. And someone I really like, who is kind of, I'm using as confluence for my narrative here, is Rhett Proof. He's pretty good at these, man. He does these really well. So confluence would be, yeah, this is essentially what I was looking for. This is way too short, but I was looking for something more like up into this region. So like the 1420s area, there's like some good liquidity up ahead at the top of this box. We're gonna go up though. We're definitely going up. So we might get some of my asks filled. I still wish I got the fucking long, man. At least I was long on my main account. I had like very small size on this. Let me turn these off. I shorted ape last night on this account too, but I want more size. So maybe I'll get more size on this ape. I really think this ape stuff is a sell the news type of event. So I'll short more. I can go big on this account relative to the amount of funds in this account, because if it blows up, I'm not worried. But see, and then I'd probably set stop loss like at 452 region. So I think this is like a bearish retest to here. Everybody's staking their ape, going to zero. But I won't keep these positions. You know, I'll probably just close this before I leave my desk. Damn, I'm so upset. That's so upsetting. I didn't really get the bid. It is what it is, though. Yeah, lots of untapped liquidity. Like, this is like the perfect place for me to want to set asks. Like right through here. Right? That 19K region. Slow grind up is beautiful too. Like bid, you know. So bullish from me narrative. Any questions? Oh, hey, Sir Range. Yeah, it is what it is, brother. Like I said, I'm still positioned on spot and on my main account, but I wanted to scalp it like a degenerate for everybody today. I fucking missed it by a few minutes, or by a few seconds rather. Whatever. It's alright. It's alright. I still had a little bit of exposure. It's not a bad thing. Why is SNX so cursed? Let's take a look at SNX. Here, I'll pull it up and then just drag it. It's funny. I used to work for like $17 an hour, and now I like, you know, clear almost $1,000 in a few minutes. I'm like, oh, it's so fucked up. I'm so upset. I didn't get my 5-figure day. It's a shame. You lose sense of value in this game. SNX is cursed. Wow, man, this thing sucks. Everything is cursed, guys. Come on. A crypto job, Igor. PM me what you're looking for specifically. You know, send me a resume, a CSV, and I'll try to put you somewhere that I can help you with. I know some people hiring. It just depends on your skills. That's the biggest thing, right? Like where can you perform? Yeah, money is money, brother. Money is money. Hold on, guys. Let me put the chat up so I can see more. Cool. All right. For this position, I think this just goes up. You know, I think market open at like once the equities open, I think the bid is gonna continue. I still want a lower high here. I want everyone to get excited right here. And then, you know, sweep everyone's liquidity, retest the lows, buy more. But yeah, I just saw you DM me on Twitter. I will respond to you after the stream. Oh, wow. Damn, Lou, I hope you're watching this. The bid was real. I feel bad. I'm really glad I didn't short SPY yesterday. I wanted to. I just deposited money into an options account. I wanted to short it, but I'm not going to. Maybe now's the time. Look, we're gonna break out, go free, get to 430 level, and then, you know, go down again. I think it's gonna be an optimal time to buy Tesla puts. If we get a decent reaction out of Tesla. Every bounce for me is a Tesla short, in my opinion. This thing is not gonna re-enter my bids. Damn it, guys. I'm salty. This was like one of the slowest. I wanted more volatility. We just got up only, which is sick. Like in hindsight, it's great. If you were trying to predict CPI, I wasn't trying to predict CPI. I was trying to react to CPI. I wasn't fast enough to react. I need to set Quant Tower up on this PC so that I can get my keybinds moving hot. But it is what it is. Good if you broke even on BNB. There's a lot of FUD. I think there will be a chance to oh wow. I think there will be a chance to take a trade on BNB once the FUD clears. But I was not expecting that FUD. I posted along the other day on BNB and I was like, I hadn't slept in like 30 hours. But I didn't post like a stop loss or anything, and I had an invalid at the most recent lows. Unfortunate. Let's check the main account though. I was still long BTC. It looks good. Yeah, Dan, normally, like I said, this has made me a more responsible trader. So this whole Telegram thing, it's like more of a journal to myself. And I used to try and like predict CPI and like, you know, it can be profitable, but it can be just as painful the other way if it's a very, very risk off situation. Ape game plan. Ape game plan. I think the high is in, right? And if it breaks out above, then we're in trouble. But I want this to be, I want the staking narrative to be the top. Sell the news event. Now that everything is going up, I don't know if it will be. I'll set trading view alerts. So like, for example, this is how I trade sometimes. If I'm interested in a position, what I'll do, where's Ape? I don't know how to do bingo. If I'm interested in a specific position and I have bids or anything, I'll just kind of like set alerts. So whatever I'm doing in that moment in time, this shit is so loud. I don't know if any of you have ever used trading view alerts, but the ping is like the most unfortunate sound in the world. It's fucking shrieking. So when these start going off, like my dogs freak out. It's so loud. I have my sound bar set up to it, and then I'll immediately watch price at microstructure price action. So at which point, like I'll hopefully be at my PC. Maybe I'm laying on the beanbag over there, hanging out. I'll immediately watch the reaction. If we get that wick, cool. If not, if it starts to grind, I'll start to scale out and watch the reaction above the highs. If above the highs, the bid is strong, I'm out. Simple. Let's watch the tape. All right, so we probably have another 20 minutes until some serious volatility kicks in. Yeah, Mikhail, don't think of it as that I didn't have the balls to long the pump because it could have been a faded move. I didn't watch indicators like open interest, volume, CVD, all that jazz. But normally, like, it's pretty safe to fade the move if the direction isn't established with like proper metrics. This looks bullish. This is probably going to keep going up, man. This is going to keep going up. I should probably pull some of these asks. I want to move this. I love how exchanges allow you to just like pull and push orders around. Like I said, to anybody who's late, these were supposed to be. I like what Strike Hacks just said. That's it. Remove the dollar change factor on your watch lists. In my opinion, only take a real price and change in a percentage is relevant. Depends. So like I said earlier, these were not supposed to be just naked asks. I was hoping to have filled more bids, at least marketed bids, so that I could take profit in this region and then maybe be net short by a small amount, and then I could market in the difference of my position. I have a very weird trading style, but it worked for me, so that's why I do it. Fuck, we're kind of gonna float in this non-entry area. I might just degen gamble for you guys because it's a degen account. If I see a little consolidation, like if I start to see a little flag, this is probably what's gonna happen, and then like right at 9:30, poof, we're gonna get the move, or 9:30 ish, between 9 and 9:30. So if I was really a degenerate, I would just slowly. I would love a 2% whipsaw, but I don't think we're gonna see it. The bid is so strong for now. Can I check FXS for X? Sure. That wick is so funny, man. This kind of price action is so funny to me. I think I showed this on the stream the other day. This thing is going to probably do several 100% in like a very short period of time. I did show this on the stream the other day. I forgot who it was with. I think it was Smokey. This will probably do a 2x to this region. We'll probably see. I might throw some money at this spot, some weird ass, and then poof, it's going to be like, it's going to be so violent. That type of shit. Say no more. Yeah, this is not financial advice, but I would. This is a gamble for sure. I like it. This lower region, every time it falls into there, it's just immediately bid. So this is safe to say this is a solid floor for now. and you can always invalidate right below the floor. So if I was trading this, how I would do it, I'd want an average position entry of like 468. So that doesn't mean I would place one bid there. It means I would ladder. Like you guys see how I place ladders like those? They're way easier to do when you use something like Quantara, Coin Market Man, or all those things. Place orders all the way through so that the average entry comes out to about 460, and then invalidate below the lows, and then expect this type of move. So you get a serious RR. It's like 6 and change. So you can keep the position size smaller. Oh, and by the way, shout out Lucas. I'm wearing your hoodie, bro. You left it in my plane or in my car. Fuck, I'm tired today, guys. I haven't eaten breakfast. I think I might go make a coffee while I keep this position open. But yeah, I'd bid this region, TP this region. This is a sick risk reward setup. It could take a long time, right? You could have proper capital allocation elsewhere that could, result in similar gains. But I would throw some money at this. Small, very small. Oof, fuck, man, I'm sloppy today. Yeah, look at this. We're going. Oh, Phemex said. Ooh. I still think we go up. I really would like Whipsaw to fill in this void, which on ETH would be this void. It's not gonna happen. Can you guys hear my music, by the way? Yeah, the stream will be uploaded. I'll do more degenerate shit on stream to keep you guys entertained and gamble. Obviously, I'm doing so appropriately. No music. Wait, what if I do this? Can you hear it now? It's like some fucking banjo lo-fi. Nat gas. Probably. No, I didn't do any degenerate shit yet, XCOM. I do want to buy some silver, though. I was kind of hoping for... Oh, man, that's a fucking shame. I'm not going to get the silver dip I want. Am I? Alright, so what else? This is hilarious. I'll show you guys. I'll pull up the position on my phone. Actually, I'll just pull it up on my other monitor, and then you guys are going to crack up. Last year, Dime... I were giga bullish on, or 2 years ago, we're giga bullish, almost 3 on silver. So like, obviously I aped, and I aped on spot on a brokerage account that I have, and I sat in it. I just didn't reallocate. I once I saw it breaking it down, I was like, oh, I didn't. Fuck it. I hope this is just a deviation. I was comfortable just having exposure to metals. I didn't have much. I should have just had exposure to spot metals. Now I do. Hold on. Is the music too loud? Let me know. I'm logging into my brokerage. Alright, check this out. This shit's so funny. Positions. I wish I could hide the high balances. All right, sick. Look at this. This is so funny. I'm trying to make sure there's no information here that I need to hide. I'll screenshot it. What I'll do is I'll screenshot this, and then I'll open the screenshot somewhere. How do I open a screenshot? Fuck, I don't know where. I guess I could drop it in here. Does this have any? I'll just drop it in Telegram. Just want to make sure this doesn't have any information that could damage me. All right, I could pull it up. All right, take a look at this. I entered silver in 2020. I've been sitting in silver since 2020. and I've like wanted to triple down at this point. I should have earlier. I wasn't really paying attention to all the noise. But yeah, I have like a $50,000 silver position that's just been sitting, and finally it's starting to break into profit. Shout out Dime. So yeah, I do want to get back into with size. Yes, buy up $11 pre-market. I'm really glad I didn't buy. Oh, I didn't realize I could do that, could I? Oh, it's too large, it says. It's too large. Let me get this out of the way, and I can delete it from here. Only those in stream get it. So what do I want to see from this? I wish I'd get some sort of dip. This is going to be like a multi. I think silver's a $40 play. I can delete that. So what I expect. Silver. This looks like it ran a cycle, and it's ready for 40. I'll buy more silver. All right, I'm gonna go make a coffee. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I'll keep stream up, and we'll have another trade in about, I don't know, let's say 7 minutes. Oh, you guys waited for me. That's cool. I'm so fucking. I don't have shit, man. I don't have any breakfast materials. My hair's a mess. I didn't sleep too well last night. Lucas, let's get breakfast after this session. All right. I had some banana. What do I think about Magic? I think Arbitrum is a bet, so I think that Magic could be a bet. I fucking had a little bit of Magic a while ago, but I was at it in like $1, so this is still cheap. I don't really know much about it anymore. It's running full cycles in this microstructure down below $1. How do I like my coffee? I like it black. Legit, nothing. No sugar, maybe some honey. I'm simple. But I don't even have coffee, so I made green tea. It's on the kettle now. I gotta go grab it. All right, BTC. Wow, spot sellers are at it. That's hilarious. But Phemex guys are like, fuck it, we ball. And you can see the dislocation here. So, all right, if you're not in a position, don't chase here. That's never the move. Never chase pre-market. Well, I shouldn't say never. There are times. I'm not going to force a trade. Sol is running 10%. Okay, so there were a bunch of alts that are doing numbers, which I didn't really expect, to be quite frank. BTC dominance and ETH dominance kind of reflected. Okay, I see why. Interesting. Oh, look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Our optimism long is killing it. I think I'm long on the challenge account, optimism, a very small amount. But that's awesome. Shout out Smokey and anybody who brought. I think I was just scrolling the watch list when I saw this. This is dope. If you're long with me on the challenge account, good stuff. Oh, my kettle. Yo, my dogs were freaking out. Come here. That kettle was screaming. I don't know if you guys could hear that through my mic, but that kettle was going. Wow. I wish I took this on like my fucking personal account. Let's go, optimism gang. I don't even have the challenge account logged into anything right now. I think if I hit copy trade, I can just like go see positions on it. Let's see. Yeah, I can. Positions. There we go. If you're on the copy trade account, I think a handful of you are copy trading this account. Number of copiers, 9. It should be in profit. I should probably log into this account so I can close some stuff. I'm gonna do that. Okay, so not a bad day between both accounts, like $2 grand. Man, I used to make that in like 2 weeks. That's fucking hilarious. Let me log into that challenge account so I could start to trim those positions in TP. It's not possible to flag OP when it comes to copy. What do you mean? You guys didn't fill that position as well? I'm not even too familiar with the whole copy trade thing. I just kind of opened it up so you guys could gen with it, but I never suggest somebody just blindly copy trade another person. It's a very bad idea. It's a really good way to lose money. But we like losing money. All right, I'm logging into this challenge account. Everyone is trying to get acquainted with non-Binance options now. Yeah. I mean, these exchanges are all pretty very similar. Like they've found something that works and they stuck to it. 9-2. All right, I'm in. All right, let's check out the challenge account. Nice. It's so funny that I have to do it like this. So close to the TP, but yet so far. I think it'll hit. So this was a pretty solid RR trade. We almost got stopped out. I actually added on this yesterday when I saw it. Can't even see the little TP out here. That's solid, right? My ETH TP. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to actually move the stop loss. Wait, never mind. I'm going to cancel the stop loss and then place it at, let's say 1271. So stop sign profit now for you challenge account friends. And then for a take profit, I'm gonna pretend this account isn't real, as opposed to like other money that I have open and exposed. I expect the take profit to hit at market open, honestly, but what I want to see, honestly, I'm just gonna close it. I'm gonna close the account now. I'm gonna close the position now. I'll just limit out. And we're out. Are we not? What? Or did the order just place? I'm so confused. What? That should be the full size. All right, finally, the account's back in profit 10%. We had a little drawdown on the challenge account. It's back in profit. For optimism, I might move the stop in profit here. All right, yeah, this position's closing out now. I'll just market the difference. Cool. So what does that mean? I can... What's up with this latency, guys? What's happening? I thought I closed this. All right, so we're out of ETH. I might TP a little bit ahead of our TP. By the way, TP is take profit. I don't know if everyone is in game with all the terms. I might sell a little bit here. Why not? We'll take it. And that should fill. By the way, guys, I normally just market out of positions and eat the fees, which is something none of you should ever do because it's so a negative expected value to just market out of positions, especially on shitcoins. Even if it's a small position, you pay more in fees and you can slip the books in larger positions. Oh, we collected some funding on this too. Look how nice that is. $21 in funding. Yeah, you should always limit it out, even if you limit it out at the current price or below it. Don't just mark it out. It's more to trade against. I did that for so long. In 2020, I think it was. In 2020, I marketed out of every fucking position on FTX, and I spent millions in fees. And you don't believe it. Not either. You're like, oh, let me just export the CSV on my fees. I think I was doing it for accounting reasons, and it was like 8 figures in fees almost, and I was very upset. Get me out. See? I started trading in 2017. Yes, Brody, your realized P&L will reflect any position take profits you have, anything you've marketed out. It will also reflect funding. So funding's been extremely negative on this, paying long for a while now. So we got paid to long this thing. Pretty cool, right? Let's see what funding is on ETH. Dude, this thing's gonna go up, isn't it? Like I said, don't chase. Nice, 5 cents in Bitcoin. That's pretty good money, huh? Lucas, you didn't answer me. Do you want to get breakfast after this? Let me ask him on Discord. You guys like the live trading sessions? I'll do them more often. Look at that Bitfinex sell reflecting here. Bitfinex sellers are ruining the party. I don't know who hurt them. Let's take a look at some why not, right? I want to go to the gym. Let me know if you want to go fly after. I'd like to fly today. Oh man. Ape will ape. Ape will ape. Half a yard in OI. All right, so for the flow of work on how I trade, it's pretty simple. Depends on the day and the volatility, but sometimes I'll hit my watch list and I'll just organize it by performance and try to figure out why shit's performing the way it is. I'll flow through it. And then I'll just kind of like, That's a cool chart. I didn't remember. Maybe from stream. And then I'll kind of just like run through charts. I've seen so many structures before that I would like look at stuff and I'm like, oh, this, blah, 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 this is ugly. And I'll identify shit that I've traded in the past. That's why it's important to keep a journal so that you can like look back at, you know, patterns you've seen before and say, okay, I've seen this before. I know how the market reacts traditionally to this. Damn, BTC is almost at my TP. I didn't realize we were at 18. Lucas, if you're still in here, remember when I was telling you when we were bidding here that the goal was to end up catching a move to 19? So like I'll just run through charts like this. What is going on with LTC? Change the time frame. Look for potential. Here doesn't look too shabby. A lot of shit caught the pump, huh? Who is a bag I'd fill spot for an investment on thesis, on Dex thesis? Everything caught a bid today. Let's see if it'll last. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, that's a shame. And then also, once I like run through all those, I'll pull up Coin Crypto Watch and look for volume. Hey, it's a bird, Max. Stop tripping. He ain't gonna hurt you. On PYR. Wow, this thing is fucking... I don't know. I'm sure there's some movement to be made. Kind of like it, honestly. That's a clean sweep of the lows. Look at that. I expect top of the range right there, this region. Not a bad play, brother. Here it is, actually. Anybody else want to see any of their charts? Damn Joe, that's a name I haven't heard in a while. Jesus, this fucking cursed structure. What is this? Well, 10 minutes and then 13 minutes and I'm probably gonna get off. Kind of want to watch a reaction. I'll probably see what I'll do is I'll never leave all these asks and bids. I like to have them for when I'm at my PC in case something horrid happens. Damn. I hope we get some volatility in 10 minutes. I think we just go up though. I think we just go up. Come here, Max. Come here, brother. Say good morning, Max. I can check access. Max is gonna stay on my lap. Damn, Max, your breath smells like shit. Here, I'm putting you down, bro. I would want this to hold and moves up from here. I can't really trade this kind of shit anymore, man. Like, there's a time in the bull market where there's like a hot ball of capital just rotating between every sector and everything has incredible trading. But that hot ball of capital is now sidelined or in majors. So, will I get my ape short? Let's find out. I think I do when market opens. I think I'll get more ape short. Yeah, I am. This shit's gonna grind up. I hope it doesn't go to new highs. That would be unfortunate. What up, puppies? Why are you guys barking like maniacs? Yeah, I'm tired today. I need to eat some food. Lido. Yeah, it did, huh? This is a type of PA that you can tell it's gonna move when you see this right here. Tighter, tighter, tighter leads to contraction. When you get like tiny, you know, consolidations like that, it's safe to say that you're gonna get an expansion in either direction. And this kind of structure tells me it was gonna go up. I don't even know. I don't. What was that? Nine minutes. What the fuck is this? Oh, wretched. Any of you want to see any equities? Why is any of you guys like stocks? I want to see a stock chart. Let me know. Yeah, of course. Oh, I didn't even know that I had. Wait, do I have silver perps or no? Anyone betting on the World Cup today? I actually placed a bet with my brother. Oh man, this thing's so liquid. I can't trade this. My brother and I bet on the World Cup, Argentina to win. I think that. Now I have to hedge it out with France. I have to think about that today. Coin. Oh, shit. This looks like a shit coin, doesn't it? Is it at new lows? Oof. I wonder what the fair face value of this one is. Rocket looks pretty good, not even gonna lie. Might have to shop some options. Microsoft. Tesla's gonna go to zero, man. Mayasha. I think Tesla goes to fucking zero. Wow, Microsoft looks good, brother. Inshallah. Should have been buying options yesterday. I guess tech has a bid. I like Rocket a lot right now. I want to short Tesla, but I'm not going to. Oh shit. I should leave my phone to charge. Pretty based. Oh. Fuck this song. Let's see what other kind of royalty-free music this platform has. Background music. Lounge. We got Christmas. This is some Chinese bootleg Christmas music if I've ever heard it. New Year. What the fuck? I wish I could just play my music. But no. This shit's god awful. Alright, 4 minutes. Let's see what the move does. Oh, the classic Kosaka Dalai Lama. I'll pull this up. We'd love to see that in the morning right before market open. Not a bad play, XO. This is like what I do, right? I'll find a trade that I'm interested in, and I'll just Confluence cross-check it with every trader that I respect that I've seen has like a good track record for over the last few years, and I'll just cruise. Oh my goodness. Sam's toast. If you didn't know, now you know. Sam's toast. That man's going away for a while. At least I hope so. This music sucks, man. This is some sketchy music. So what do I think happens? I think we're gonna get some downside on the open, and then by 10 a.m. it reverses, and then we'll get something like that. I guess we'll have to watch and find out. 2 minutes. Man, I used to trade this garbage. when you trade like this, you gotta have the cancel all orders buttons ready, because one day if you catch a move that blows you out of all those orders, you're gonna be so upset. I hate this music, man. Give me a downside move. Check the main account. I don't have any orders open. Thank the Lord. I think there's gonna be a trade in BNB, guys. I really do. I don't think Binance is insolvent. I think they have there's like $60 billion in DeFi storage. I think they're majority collateralized, and unless you have like a serious bank run where 99% of participants decide that they want to test liquidity out, I think there's a bid. Let's check what whatever. Why won't the search bar close? There we go. Oh man, shorts are gonna get blown out on this thing. Oh man, shorts are gonna get blown out. I might long this on my personal. I'll try to bid 275-ish, I guess. Oh man, look at that. That was some short selling out or closing out there. That's hilarious. Joe, how are you, bro? I saw your name last stream. How are you? I'm so glad you tuned in, dude. I'm coming to Austria in February, by the way. So if you're there, let's link up. I'll be with the boys. I'm gonna go to Vienna. All right, so let's see if we'll get what I wanted here. If I'm ever in Poland, I did take the walk to Poland. I've always wanted to go to Poland, honestly. There's a lot of places I want to go. Shit, man. So normally what I do when I trade long stints is I'll have a trade idea that I put together, and then I'll move the trade idea to a monitor that's not in my direct view. I'll move my indicators to a monitor that's not in my direct view, and I'll put fucking video games on my main monitor. Why? Because I am a child who grew up with a lot of entertainment, and if I get, frisky about a position, I start to overthink it. I start to think this, that, start to change the narrative, and I stray from my original plan, and then I get in trouble. So I'll distract myself with a book, video games, a movie, a video, some research I need to do, some accounting, and I'll keep my alerts and indicators on each side. And so if shit starts to go against my plan, then I'll pull my exchange back into my plain view and then decide. But if I distract myself and let my plan go to plan, then all is good. I think I'm gonna go get breakfast, ladies and gents. Thanks for tuning in. I'll do some more live trading another day. I have this account now for all the scalping, and it's okay on size, so we can have fun with it. And I'll try to walk you guys through how I trade more often, different scenarios. Every scenario is different. I try to stay unison, but shout out Phemex for sponsoring these streams. If you guys aren't trading on Phemex, you should. If you want to copy trade me, feel free. I wouldn't suggest it, like I said. But